Good evening mga kaballers. So, ali man ta sa gihapon sa 3K Sports Hub, and you are watching the championship game of the LCC Y2K Alumni Basketball League 2025, powered by Prosperity Global Petroleum Incorporated. So for our championship game, we have Negros Architect Basketball Club, or NABC, wearing the maroon jersey against Innocence, wearing the purple jersey. And we want to extend our massive thank you to our incredible partners, Prosperity Global Petroleum Incorporated, Kenby Construction and Supply, Sulapo Construction and Supply Corporation, Axter Marketing, SP Construction, Lineage Construction Services, RDV Autospec Performance Parts and Accessories, Ilaw at iba pa Bacolod, the KGY Empire OPC, PF Torrentos Furniture Corporation, DG Software and Print Shop Solutions, Rachel's Coffee Roasters and Rian's Churreria, San Miguel Brewery Bacolod, Boysen, the #1 paint, Choice Sportswear, the official outfitter of your Tropa Y2K team, Chango Samyupsal House, Perfect Skin, RRJ Aluminum and Glass Supply, LE Lux Line, Caltex Haveline, Enervon Z by Unilab, Seda Capitrol Central, Splash Park, Keith Lacson Advertising and Graphic Design, Luyag Films, Purple Chef Home Bakery, Cali Advertising, and shout out kay Sir Tonton. Shout out man sa mga sponsors sa 10 Feet Vitamins. Super effective na growth supplement, especially sa mga kiddos na nato, mga mommies ka, mga daddies, may mga kids ka muda, kapangita ka mo sa vitamins na maka-enhance ang growth potential sa inyong kabataan. 10 Feet Vitamins ang solusyon na. So you can buy 10 Feet Vitamins through online, www.10feet.ph, or you can also buy through the following drugstore: Grace Pharmacy, kag Mercury Drugstore. If gusto niya maka-avail sa may discount, then you can order it online through www.10feet.ph. Shout out man kay Choice Sportswear, Coach Butchoy, kag kay Mommy Joyce, kag kay Lexi. Shout out man sa Heel Salon Studio, Bleachers Sports Bar kay Coach Bob. So may arita di nga pa gift card from Bleachers Sports Bar. So ang mechanics yan eh, dapat naka 1 hour So, 1 hour nga free billiard right after you get your first hour man. So, dapat nakahampang ka 1 hour sa Bleacher Sports Bar para maka-avail sang another 1 hour nga free billiard. So, sa mga followers na da, kung sino ang lapit da subong diri sa 3K Sports Hub, naka-follow sa Macbro Sports kag sa Bleacher Sports Bar. Atagan ta sang gift card from Bleacher Sports Bar. So play 1 hour, get 1 hour of free billiard. So hampang amoy sa ka-oras, ang next nyo nga oras libre na if you have this gift card. Just give this gift card sa Bleacher Sports Bar. Thanks, sir. So, sa mga followers, sada ko sinong lapit di sa buong sa 3K Sports Hub, patagan ta sa sang gift card from Bleachers. And also, may-ari ta di sa buong. So, sa mga ka-ballers, na since lapit na ta mag 12K followers, solid ni siya. Solid din yung followers ng Macbro Sports. O, kung sino lapit da, lapit diri sa 3K Sports Hub, naka-follow, naka-like, naka-share sa live ta subong. Kung sino lang da lapit, kung sino interesado, free 10 feet vitamins. Sa una nga makapalapit di sa akon, tag mag-show nga naka-follow sa 10 feet vitamins nga page, 10 feet super teens nga page. Naka-follow ha. Tag sa Macbro Sports, follow, like, and share this live today. At tagan ta libre nga 10 feet vitamins. Same man sa Bleacher Sports Bar, sa mga naga-follow, like, and share. Sinulapit na kag interesado, tasang free gift card from Bleacher Sports Bar. Sino lang na interesado ah. Alright guys, so championship game between NABC Negros Architect Basketball Club wearing the maroon jersey against Innocence wearing the purple jersey. Shout out kay Sir Carlo Joseph Pablico. Shout out kay Alejandro kag kay Jella o Team NAB. Sino sila? Shout thank you Choice Sportswear, official outfitter sa tropa Y2K. Mac Bros, more power. Looking forward to season 2. Yes, good sir. Amen, amen. Go sa season 2 no sir, no?
Go.
Oh, shout out Dakas ako, Joyous Feb Seraspe, Ambali Sir Francis June Penequito. Thank you, good sir, for watching. Pa-share sang live. Oh, Sir Carlo, pa-share sang aton nga live para mas damo pag itong makalantaw. Follow, like, and share. O, sa mga followers na nagalantaw subong sa live no, kung sino interesado mahatag ta free 10-feet vitamins kag free man nga gift card from Bleacher Sports Bar sa naga-follow kag naka-like kag share subong sa aton nga live. At the same time dapat naka-follow man sa 10-feet vitamins nga page, 10-feet Super Teens kag Bleacher Sports Bar. O may palibre ta di nga 10 feet and free 1 hour sa Bleacher Sports Bar. Make sure naka-follow kag naka-share kag naka-like sa aton live sa video. Kung sino lang na interesado Thank you, sir. O shout out gali kay Gel Nails basta may interesado da sa inyo magpa may intra pag idyan diba? Gel Nails sa mga interesado da magpa nail extension barato na naiya sa home service pa guys. PM lang kay Gel Nails. Ang last ko nga po, siya masubra gidi sa kabulan. Ay na. Oh, NABC ball, Paes. Ay, umawas pa. Uy, agaw na naman ni Paes ang bola. Pinasa kay Jella. Ay, nabuhian. Makasag. Hi, sir. My God, Shout out kay Sir Joven. Oy. Si Kyle din. Wala ka ba lang daw sa live? Lang daw sa live may gin-post ko. Ito ka ba lang daw? Shout out sa Pimentel family. Shout out sa 3K Sports Hub family. Kag sa OB Nights. Maayong gabi. Grabe, hindi pinsanay. Wala pagyapon. May nakaskoro. Paes. Uy, Pasto Jella. Panisales. Ay! Kabos. Outside. Makasyagit ko wagas. Cheerer. Baloyo. Hop. Tingnan natin pinsana. Jella. Ay, wala kaban. Ay. Nakibot sa sangpasa. Wala sa kabantay. Tenorio. Basket. First basket ito. Si Tenorio ang unang nakascore. Jella dribbles the ball. Oh, Paes! Ay, umumpok ang bula. Ari ay Tornilla. Oh, jump shot. Ay, wala na shoot. Paes. Jella. 3-point shot by Jella. Basket. Bang. 3-point shot by Jella. Tornilla dribbles the ball. Oh. Ay, ala. May foul. Kay Raspe. Si Raspe may foul ko, sir. Si Raspe mang yan. Ate, si Raspe ito. Pilingon, basket. Second shot. Basket again. 2 out of 2 for Pilingon. Jella. So Raspe. Ay, ala, may foul. Heck. Uy, nice pass, naagaw ni Panisales. Uy, nice pass to Paes. Back to Panisales. Basket. Tornilla. Uy, nice pass. Baloyo. Nasa sagwa. Basket. Lodi, kits ang ila score. Jella. Raspe to Panisales. Uy, nice pass. Naku, nabuhian pa. Shout out kay Archie Louie Avillana, Maliser June, Francis June Penequito. Pa-share sa live, sir. Thank you. Paes. Ay, wala gyapon na siya. May foul. Free throw si Paes. Basket again. 2 out of 2 for Paes. 1-point lead by Innocence. Tornilla. Perting ang bantay ni Jella kay Tornilla. Tumira. Basket again. Nilido yaman. Jersey number 19. Panisales. Jump shot. Ay, wala ka na shoot. Snook. Uy, gabi pantaya kay Tornilla. Double team. Wala pagyapon. Nakalusot si Tornilla. Napasa naman sa kilid. Ay, wala na shoot. Paes for the rebound. Paes. Aragoy, gabi yung bunggo ba? Basket for Paes. Wala ga ka. Uy, yugi. Strong. Tornilla. Basket. Kag may foul. Get it si jersey number 16. 19. Tornilla. Awas ang iya free throw. Rebound ni Paes. Paes drives in. Basket for Paes. Garcia to Baloyo. Tumira ng 3. Aragaya. 3-point shot by Baloyo. Paes to Jella. Snook. Tumira ng 3. Kabus. Wala tao sa dalong. Tornilla. Dribble sa ball. Tornilla to Tenorio. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Paes. Paes. Pass to Seraspe. Snook to Jella. Jella tumira ng 3. Bang! 3-point. Jella. Si Busjed. Uy, nag-miss. Gani. Thank you, good sir. Tenorio. Basket. Snook. Basket man. Basta na lang ila basket to. Abansin sa giyapon ang Innocence. Garcia. Tubaloyo. Pilingon. Ay, rago yung tumbasi. Basket. Abansin na 3 points ang Innocence. Jella dribble sa ball. To Seraspe. To Snook. Snook. Sumulod. Uy, pasa kay Panisales. Basket. Garcia dribble sa ball. Garcia to Baloyo. Back to Garcia to Tornilla. Basket. Jella. Paes. Paes drives in. Sumulod si Paes. Alam mo, nabonggo sa Seraspe for 3. Kabos. Gapon ang tulo si Seraspe. May foul. So sabi ko time out. Wala tayong magdili. Meg! 50 seconds remaining time nga guys. Bola sang Innocence. Baloyo, op. Tenorio. Garcia, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound ni Paez. Paez, drives in. Bang! Basket gid si Paez. Garcia. To Baloyo, back to Garcia. Guanzon, tumira ng 3, kabus. Uy! Tenorio, basket for Tenorio. Jala. Snook. Tumira ng 3, basket. Ginpata siya. Ginpata siya ang first quarter. Sulod gid ang 3 points ni Snook. End of the first quarter, 23 all. Wala pa na siya Cruz. Agaw ni Paez. Alejandro. Basket for Alejandro. Pilingon. Ay, nabuyaan ni Pilingon ang bola. Agaw ni Pilingon. Cruz. Guanzon to Garcia. Garcia to Guanzon. Guanzon. Garcia. Ay. Foul to ano? Garcia. Ay, tama ka taas. Alejandro. Kabunsan. Paez. Alejandro. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni, ano ganit? Ay! Outside ka nito. Bayron. Ay, natapi ni, ano, nagaw ni Doc. Aragay, sorry. Cruz. Garcia. Tenorio. Wala na shoot. Rebound ni Bayron. Pagunsan. Dribbles the ball. Ang mga sagit-sagit ko. Lubukang lang. Alejandro. basket. Cruz. Guanzon. Tenorio. Cruz, tumira ng 3. Basket! 3 points from Cruz. Down to 1 point ang lamang ng NABC. Paes. Pasahan, napasa ang Alejandro. Ay, nice pass! Ay, tamang ng usog ang iyang at tira. Glapaw sa ring. Guanzon. Tumira ng 3. Wala na shoot. Rebound ni Pagunsa. Ay, Pagunsa niya. And there's a timeout. Meg! Five, 9. Point shot, wala. Oh, yun na. Agay. Biling. Ano ito man? Jump ball. Alejandro, ay umawa. Baloyo. Tenorio. Uy, nice pass to Garcia. Naku, natakal. Tenorio. So Bailon, nabuya ni Bailon. Na-save ni Alejandro. Balik kay Bailon. Agunsan. Bailon. Ay, my. Alejandro. Cornelia, basket. Alejandro, basket. Garcia. Ay, natapalpal sa ni Provincio. Agunsan. Oy, nice foul. bawi ni Pagunsan. May foul si Garcia. Uy, wala. Rebound ni Tornilla to Garcia. Basket. Patas na naman ang score. Tabla na, tabla. Alejandro Cabus. Fulgencio. Basket. Gonzon to Tornilla. Tornilla. Oy, naku, wala na. Parang ko dyan. Sambula to Alejandro. Pagunsan. Ay, lapaw pa. Nakuha ni Baloyo to Guanzon. Tornilla. Wala na shoot. Rebound ni Snoop. Pagunsan. Pagunsan to Snoop. Fulgencio. Alapaw. Garcia. Ay! Naku, naku. Alejandro, uy, nice pass. Ay, natapalpal sa ni Pilingon. Cruz. Uy, ay, nakuta na usog. Wala na shoot. Pagunsan. Nice pass, Snoop. Ay, wala sure ball. Uy, nice pass. Wala gapon. Uy. Garcia. Garcia. Basket. Patas na naman, guys. Sadya sa ngampang nila, yo. Patas swimming score, ah. Abunsan, tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Tornilla. Tornilla. Ay! Shout out kay Cody MacLeon Galay Umargas. Good evening, Dong. Kapanyapon nga na, Dong. Share live ni Mami, Dong. Tornilla. Basket. Lamang na 1 point ang Innocence. Meg! Basa-basa. Ano ginalawag mo ang time? Panisales. Jella for 3. Ay, wala. Oh, rebounded Snook. Naku. Ay, basket. May kasamang foul. Lamang na naman ang NABC 1 point. May free throw pa si Snook. Basket. Oy, ala na po yan ni Tornilya. Wala pa kabantay sa Tornilya. Napasa ni Cruz. 3-point shot by Snook. Wala. Rebound ni Cruz. Uy. Oh, back to Cruz. Tenorio. Tornilya. Tornilya to Guanzon. Uy, to Tenorio. 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound is Snook. Manizales. May foul. Tenorio to Tornilya. Number 9, ba? Basket. Snook. Ay! Basket. Manizales. Tornilya. Op. Ginaduaw. Na-double team si Tornilya. Ay, may foul. Ay, ala. Meg! Time! 38 seconds na lang rin nabilin, guys. Uy! Naku, nakawas pa. Ay! Basket! Jersey number 4. Ay, ano itong tabo? Abdon, Tamira. Ay, wala pa na shoot. Uy, pa rebound. Ay, agaw ni Jella. Jella to Manizales. Uy, grabe nga payong ba? Agaw ni Guanzon. Grabe. Perte. End of the game. End of the second quarter. Score is 44-38 in favor of NABC. Halftime break. Halftime break. court. Na-change court. Pilingon, Cornelia, Garcia, 3-point. Paez, Tujala, Seraspe, Snook, wala, nagsulod ng 3. Oh, rebound pa ni Paez, may foul. Paez, ay, basket. Second shot. Uy, basket gapon. 2 out of 2 for Paez. Cornelia, ay, nagaw ni Pusincio. Paez. Basket again for Paez. Ito na ang lamang ng NABC. Baloyo. Op. Op. Wala pa saan si Doc. Ay! Tenorio. Basket. Ayun lang. Time mo lang kung Doc. Garcia na agaw ni Tenorio ang bola. Pilingon, ay! Pagaling. Baloyo, tumira, Cabos, Rebound ni Fulgencio, pumasa kay Jela. Jela to Paez, Paez may foul. Leg! Leg! Three-point shot. Ten points lead by NABC. Cornelia. Baloyo. Op. Ay. Pilingon sa free throw. Basket. Jella, tumira. Ay, wala. Iba ni Pilingon. Basket for Pilingon. Jella to Paes. Paes. Ay, umumpok. Nagaw ni Tornilia. Tornilia. Ay, wala na dakot ni Tenorio. Ano, yun. Wala na dakot. Paes. Paes to Snook. Snook. Oy! Grabe si Snook. Basket. Swerte nga challenge. Saka Pilingon ba? Uy! Tumi-op. Ang matres. Garcia to Baloyong. Wala. Iba ni Paes. To Jella. Jella. Ay! Naagaw ni Garcia. Garcia to Uy. Uy, nice pass to Tenorio. Tenorio. Uy, naku. Wala na dakot ni Jella. Ito na sulpo pa si Jella. Si Garcia. Wala sa kaban. Sulpo. Dito sa bro. Wala dakot ang bola. Wala sa kabantay. High 5-1. Snook for 3. Basket. Yeah. Garcia to Cruz. Tumira ng 3. Kabus. Oy, wala pa na siya Pilingon. Snook. Oy! My foul. Free throw si Snook. Basket. Uy, wala pa na shoot. Nabalik Pilingon. To Garcia. To Guanzon. Guanzon. Back to Garcia. Tenorio. To Cruz. Basket. 2 points for Cruz. Agunsan to Paez. Paez. Bailon. Ay, ala. Traveling. Cornelia. Cornelia. To Guanzon. Back to Cornelia. Drives in. Oy, naming atira ya. Ay, wala na shoot. Paez to Pagunsan. Pagunsan to Snook. Ay, nice pass. Ay, natapal si Panisales. Snook for 3. Bang! Basket. Kapila na itong atlet si Snook. Cornelia dribbles the ball. Cornelia to Guanzon. Back to Cornelia. Oop. Sumunod. Ay, nagwa. Naku. Wala na ang iyan napasahan. Snook. Paez. Snook. Tumira ng 3. Aragay. Another 3 points from Snook. Cornelia. Uy, Pilingon. Oh, grabe. Nice move from Pilingon. Basket for Innocent. Agunsan. To Snook. Paez. Tumira ng 3. Lapaw. Uy, Aragoy. Rebound ni Tornilia. Natumba si Agunsan. Tornilia. Tumira. Ay, nagawas. Panisales. Ay, ala. Out balance, Pagunsan. Guanzon. Dribbles the ball. Oop. Abdon. Abdon to Tenorio. Ay, kibagi atira. Snook. Dribbles the ball. Uy, nice pass to Pagunsan. Ay, awas. Paez. Basket. Naboyan niya pambula na agaw ni Panisales. Panisales to Pagunsan. Pagunsan to Panisales. Ay, nagampok ang bola. Abdon to Tornilia. Tornilia Tumira, wala gina-shoot, oy. Ay, 1 minute 8 seconds. Ay, wala. Cornelia. To Garcia. Basket. Alejandro. Ay, aragoy, aragoy. Alejandro Eraspe. Ay, umpok ang bula. Ribambay Baloyo. Six seconds naman. Alejandro Loda. Ay, kabos! Lang yan tira. Tenorio. Uy, ay! Basket for Abdon. Second shot. At siya ang Pangilaw. Uy, dahil magaling ko, man. Clean block. Nasadya sa ila. Bawi-bawi ah. Snoop. To Alejandro, tumira ng 3. Basket! 3 3 points, Alejandro. Tenorio, Tornilia to Garcia. Back to Tornilia. Tenorio. Grabe na di kung saan. Garcia. Sumulod. Tumira. Wala. Ay, nakuha. Ginipan ni Sales. To Alejandro. Alejandro. Aragay. Wala. Nakuha. Agaw ni Tenorio. Ay, ni Tornilia. Tornilia. Kibot mo ba? Abi ko dugmali sila ko. Cornelia, Tumaloyo, tumira. Wala na shoot. Paes for the rebound. Panisales, Alejandro. Oy! Aragoy, wala gyapon. Ay, naagaw ni Tornilia. Tornilia, tupalingon, pilingon. Ay, inaboy. Anya mula. Naagaw ni Panisales. Alejandro. Oy, may foul gid. Free throw, Alejandro. Okay lang. Basket. Next shot. Basket. 2 out of 2 for Alejandro. Ta. Higo. Ay, wala ka tulog. Wala ka. Daytime ah. Agaw. Snook. Ito pa ni Sales. Uy, Paes. Ay, nagligid ang hula sa ring. Baloyo. Uy, namuntik pa maagaw ni Jella. Silingon. Foul counted. Ta! Time! 8:06. Kabus ang ina ni Pamon. Nakuha ni Snoop. Snoop to Panisales. Panisales dribbles the ball. To Paes. Panisales. Basket! Garcia dribbles the ball. Galzin. Uy! Sumunod. Basket for Garcia. Ano tabo? Ano ito natabo? Snoop for 3! Basket! Pilingon. Garcia. Back to Pilingon. Garcia again. Drives in. Uy, lami ba? Ay, wala yan na shoot. Kanugon. Uno ka pa ni Baloyo. Basket for Baloyo. Panisales. Bulig. Ay, nakuha ni Paes. Paes. Ay, mumpok. Ay, nakuha pa ni Panisales. Uy, naagaw ni Baloyo. Uy, nabawi ni Panisales. Uy, wala pa. Wala na shot pero may foul. Panisales sa free throw. First shot, basket. Second shot, another basket. Garcia dribbles the ball. Garcia. Tumira ng tres. Basket! Paes. Snoop. Bantayanan nila si Snoop sa tres, ano? Jella. Panisales. Op. Jella. Ay. Panisales for three. Ay, nagtumpok. Uy, nakuha ni Baloyo. Pinasa kay Garcia. Garcia. Uy, nice pass. Nakulak pa na. Ay, natapal pa si Tenorio. Wala lang sa Jella, may foul kay Garcia. Time out. Innocence. Fourth and final quarter na yung mga rollers, ha. Tenorio. Ay, nabuyaan ni Tenorio. Ha? Kapalipan ko din siya. Pagunsan. Tumira. Basket for Pagunsan. Tenorio, Idol Nilia. Garcia for three. Wala. Oy, rebound ni Snoop. Fulgencio. Agaw ni Garcia. Outside ni Garcia. Time. Time. 4, 5, 6 na. Four minutes and 56 seconds left sa fourth quarter. Uy, rabiling. Rabiling na. Tenorio to Garcia. Garcia. Tenorio, basket. Paes. Ito, Rasa. Pagunsan. Paes. Uy, nice pass! Basket, Pagunsan. Cornelia to Garcia. Garcia. Uy, naku, yung pass. Kaya pa. Nasa basket for Tenorio. Snoop for three. Kabus. Tapaw. Rebound ni Cornelia. Oy, naagaw ni Paes. Paes! Ay, kabos! Wala. Uy, to Garcia. Basket. dahil lang may time out. Sadya sila. Ano ka naman? Kalma, kalma, mga puso. Intense ang gani. Intense ang ilang championship game. Gudya. Snoop for 3. Wala na shoot. Oy, paes. Oop, nakasipa ni Pagunsan. Pagunsan to Snook. Back. Ay, Pagunsan. Naagaw gini, oy. Oy, to Tornilla. Tornilla. Basket. Hala. Noy, binalang ang ilaban si. Time out. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Super intense ang ilang hampang. Nareklamo in a sense. Kaysa nagreklamo sila kagina. Yung technical na yun si Garcia. Ang NABC ako na wala. Ala ka sadya sila. Paes. Jella, tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points, Jella. Grabe nga laga si Jella kay Tornilla. Nagpupumigla si Tornilla. Pinasa kay Baloyo. Basket for Baloyo. Panisales. To Jella. Jella. Back to Panisales. Jella again. Panisales. Snook. Uy, gaulat si Fulgencio. Basket. Pirte nga galaw ba? Garcia for 3. Wala na shot. Rebound ni Snook. Snook to Paes. Paes. Foul Tornilla. Time! 1:35 na lang. 1 minute and 35 seconds na lang nabilin. Jella. Jella. Ano na tabo? May foul. Snook to Paes. Paes. Uy, back. Panisales. Basket. Teningon. Tuuy. Tumira. Wala na shot. Rebound ni Snook. Snook to Panisales. Another basket for NABC. Time out. Okay, time out. Hindi ko kung ano na sila. Ano tabo? Ano na tabo? Kasi dikit na. Alright. So final score is ano naman? 92-74. Champion ang Negros Architect Basketball Club. Congratulations! Congratulations, Team NABC. So, thank you again sa ating mga sponsors.
Hello. 98 Centennials. Papa Tigers. Hello. Papa Tigers. Papa Tigers. Centennials. Center court, please. Hello. Good evening, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Okay, so, Mawardin Kasabon, congratulations to both teams at Jazz and Ampang. But before we crown the champion team, let's proceed first with the awarding of the individual awards. Okay? So, good evening, everyone. Hello. Kasi ang balon sa mga viewers, dami yung mga tao. Okay. Before anything else, I would like to thank our sponsors, our partners. One moment, checking lang. We would like to thank Prosperity Global Petroleum Incorporated, Kenby Construction and Supply, Salapo Construction and Supply Corporation, Axter Marketing, SB Construction, Lineage Construction Services, Cali Advertising, RDV Auto Spec Performance Parts and Accessories, Ilaw at Itapapa College, the KGY Empire OPC, TF Toronto's Furniture Corporation, DG Software and Print Shop Solutions, Poison, #1 Paint, Rachel's Coffee Roasters, and Rian's Churreria, Mr. Tonton Garcia, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, Choice Sports, the official outfitter of the Tropa Hawaii 2K, Perfect Scheme, Chango sa Fisal House, RRJ Aluminum and Gas Supply, Linux Line, Caltex Savoling, Enervon Z by Unilab, Seda Capital Central, Bacolod, Splash Park, Keith Nelson Advertising and Graphic Design, Luyag Films by Aerodeal, and Purple Chef Home Bakery. Thank you sa tanan na sponsors na nabulig para maging successful ang aton na paliga. Okay? Thank you. Okay. First, we would like to award the Best in Sportsmanship Team Award. Okay? Basketball is not more than just a game. It's a test of character. This award is given to the team that exemplified respect, fair play, and camaraderie throughout the entire season. It shows us the winning is not everything, but playing with honor. They even played 5 players not in one game. They were called on drum roll. Can we call on? When we call on 98 Centennials.
Centennials. Centennials.
98 Centennials. Best in Sportsmanship Team Award. Yeah, can we stay there so that my photo up? may like. Can we call on the mga misis also?
Resto nga, dali oh. Dali, resto nga.
Congratulations, Team 98 Centennials!
Eyes here. Ready. 1, 2. All right.
Congratulations, 98 Centennials! Best in sportsmanship. Best in sportsmanship award. Thank you, Team Centennials. Kay Lee, Swante, Manakainin ng mahusay. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us. Okay, next award. Next award is the Sixth Man of the Year, Sixth Man of the Season Award. Sixth Man of the Season Award. You often hear the starting five, but the team whose strength is measured by its depth. The next award honors a player who consistently provided the spark off the bench, changing the momentum of the game and elevating their team's performance when it mattered the most. The Sixth Man Award, may we call on, from the Pink Kittens, Mr. Winston Marana. Thank you for coming, sir. Congratulations, Sixth Man Award.
Sir, tomato, sir.
Matuwas. Congrats, sir. Ang mga defensive plays mo din.
One more.
Sir, sa alumni night, napatara kami, may highlights. Congratulations. Mga tapal mo nito. Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, next is the Mythical 5. Mythical 5. Okay, now let's start with the point guard position. Point guard position will go to the most consistent player. Pero may nakamalapit sa Final Four. May isa sa ball. We call on Victor Vicena. Jay, can you receive the Mythical 5? On behalf of Victor Vicena, our batch representative, Ms. Jaire of Purple Chef Bakery. Point guard position. Stay lang tayo. Okay, point guard position, Victor Vicena from Y2K. Next,
Tag siya.
shooting guard position, naka-apat na defensive player of the game. From Propo Tigers, Rayvan Momongan. Propo Tigers.
Momongan. Ayun lang.
Propo Tigers.
Hello.
Propo
Momongan.
Tigers. Representative lang isa. Propo Tigers. Rayvan Momongan.
Nagpuli, hindi kasi Momongan.
Representative lang.
Third, Rayvan Momongan, shooting guard. Small forward position. Okay, from the small forward position. From Team NABC. Mr. Consistent.
Hello.
Nakatuwa ka best player at isa ka defensive player. Ryan Jella, Architect Ryan Jella. Congratulations, Architect. Congrats. From the power forward position. May we call in Ryan Ondoyano of Team Centennials. Congratulations. Sir Winston, can you join also? Sir Winston, can you join also? And then from the center position, from Team Innocence, Mr. Dennis Tenorio, number 8. Oh, meron. Bisa pa.
Di, siya, ina. Para na lang siya. Ito no, yun.
6 months
I win.
Okay, presenting to you the
Say, ito ko muna.
and the 6-month award.
Press. Ready.
Okay, from Tropa White UK, Victor Dicena. From Tropa Tigers, Mr. Rayban Mumongan. From NABC, Ryan Jella. From Team Centennials, Ryan Ondoyano. And from Team Innocence, Mr. Dennis Tenorio. Okay, next is our season MVP. From these 6, we will select the season MVP. The season MVP, he was consistent. Duwa ka perfect screen player of the award. Duwa ka defensive player of the game. Moving on, number 8 from Centennials, Ryan Ondoyano. MVP. He led his team with 4 water cards and eliminations. MVP. Okay. So, next is the... Okay. Thank you also sa pictures, pictures. Mayari kami 1 hour free of gift certificate, 1 hour free billiards. Okay, mayari kami din from pictures. Congratulations. Right, and also our MVP will get 10 feet vitamins. Pwede kasi mo maybe para magtaas pagit. Okay? Eh Ryan. Okay. Okay. Congratulations.
Tagal natin isa-isa sila.
Picture lang siguro, ma'am. Isa na siya, isa si Ryan din after. Okay, tapos na ang photo up. Yeah, eyes here. Ready. 1, 2. Alright. Si Ryan mabilin, Si Ryan. Ryan to do yan, no? Dala, sir. Dala lang. Atras. Okay, ready.
Tama na, sir. Pagitay mo, sir? Tagang imo 10 feet, sir. Imo 10 feet, sir. 10 feet.
Imo 10 feet ka mo ng okay. One more. Hey, yeah. Go na, sir.
Okay. When we call our second runner up, Second runner-up, we call on all the Centennial team to please come forward to receive the trophy. Congratulations, you will get 2,000 pesos. Our RRJ Aluminum and Glass Supply second runner-up LCC Y2K Alumni Cup. Congratulations! Sir, may 2,000 pesos sa alumni din. Join ka mo, ma'am! Join ka mo, ma'am!
Ready?
Congratulations, Team Centennials! Second runner-up, RRJ Alumni and Gas Supply. Second runner-up.
Sige, sir.
Ready?
Hindi man ako sa likod.
1.
Smile. Gapa nagawang isa.
For the first runner-up, congratulations, thank you, Team Centennials. Congrats. For the first runner-up, RRJ Glass Aluminum and Glass Supply. First runner-up, Papa Basketball Y2K. We will call on the J. Uri Construction. Team Innocence.
Hey.
Team Innocence. You have 3,000 pesos sa alumni line. 3,000. Isa ka black label. Tatlo ka black label. Congratulations, Team Innocence. Peray. Thank you. Run. Ay, Pochoy. Ay. RJ.
Compress. Doon ka mo center.
Center, sir.
RJ Aluminum and Glass Supply.
Sige pa, sir.
Y2K Alumni 2025 first runner-up. Team Innocence. Sponsored by J. Uri Construction and Chango Sangyupsal House. Congrats. And our champion for this season. Second hit, for the second time in a row. Our champion for RRJ Aluminum and Glass Supply Tropa Y2K Alumni Basketball League champion is NABC with the undefeated season 7-0. Congratulations, Team NABC. Sir, record nyo na sunod ako.
Move gamay, move.
Atras gamay. Okay.
And backward
Sige pa.
Alright.
Congratulations, Team NABC.
Eyes here, ready. 1, 2. One more. Alright.
Congrats.
Congratulations, Team NABC. May harap na isang award, ha? But before we call on the award, may we call on first Team Perfect Skin Player of the Game. Our Perfect Skin Player of the Game with 19 points. Number 23, Chad Paez. Who is good? Okay. Altex Samuelin, player of the game, or to describe the player of the game, goes to number 99 with 26 points. And our finals MVP! Our finals MVP will also get 10 feet. 10 feet. Ang botong ka lang na pa ni. 10 feet na vitamins. Thank you, 10 feet. Thank you sa... Our finals MVP goes to number 99.
No.
Mr. Walter Scoop. 26 points. Finals MVP.
Ay, ito ang 10 feet.
Request na ano? Speech. Ano man? Congratulations, Team NABC. Congratulations to winners. That's all. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Do I hear season 2? Season 2? Yes, season 2! Here we come! Thank you, sir. Next week. May season 2 pa ako nakaka-request nila talaga. May season 2. Congratulations,
season
everyone.
2.
Watch my 2K. This is it!
Congratulations! Alright, thank you all for watching.
Number 6, oras ang working. Manos na ba? Si. Sir Jen! Jetoy man? Jetoy! Okay,